Checkerspot is a material innovations company. We are aiming to move away from fossil fuels and make high-performance materials that are more sustainable and circular. When we think about materials, one thing to think about is where do they come from? And for now, when we think about paint, when we think about polyesters, polynylons, for example, all of these different materials, they come from oil. They come from a single source, a finite source of raw material. It's not a green type of chemistry. It has an impact on our environment. At Checkerspot, we're trying to move away from that. It's an antiquated industry that we're really trying to move into something else. Being able to access different building blocks, and not just one, but the diverse set of building blocks that nature has to offer. We are trying to look at any industry that requires high performance, whether it's outdoor backcountry skis, for example, where we can animate these materials. All of these high performance specs or metrics that we think about have to be dialed in at the molecular level. So Geneious is really a tool, but it's a lens for us to look at the genetic blueprint of how fatty acids and lipids are made. It allows us to target into those genes that are responsible for making these fatty acids and these oils. And that allows us to further engineer proteins and put it back in our algae to either make more robust oils or different types of oils as well. Developing new oils that will eventually go into my sweatshirt, for example, or into my paint in my living room, that has a lot of impact, and I think it's going to have a lot of impact on the world.